Today's look is a versatile bridal hairstyle. It's super simple, yet incredibly classic and elegant. Let's dive right in. First, section the hair into 3 parts. Take the top section from the crown. Push it up slightly for some lift. And secure it with a few bobby pins. Then, divide the bottom half into 2 sections. And braid each one into a simple 3-strand braid. Next, loosen the braids and fold them in half to secure them in place. Repeat the exact same technique on the other side. Now, take the sections we left out on both sides and do a 2-strand twist, following the shape of the head. Wrap these twists right over the bun we just created. Pull the strands gently to add some soft texture and secure everything down. From here, you can tidy up the overall look. Add a few more pins to make it extra secure and loosen up some sections where needed. Whether you wear it a bit looser or more structured, it gives off completely different vibes. This hairstyle pairs perfectly with crowns, floral pieces, or really any hair accessory. I'll see you in the next hair tutorial. Bye!